My name is Mike Collins, the CEO of AV. The sports memorabilia market is enormous, but it has a fundamental trust problem. Industry observers have long noted that authentication remains inconsistent, fraud is widespread, and fans struggle to verify what's real. At the same time, athletes, leagues, and artists capture value only at the initial point of sale. They're completely cut out of the secondary market where items often appreciate most. The infrastructure is fragmented across auction houses, secondary marketplaces, and licensed merchandise channels, with authentication frequently happening after the fact, if at all. It's a massive category that's never had a modern, scaled platform to organize it properly. The Realist is building that platform. They're based in Los Angeles and focused on creating authenticated sports collectibles by working directly with athletes, teams, and leagues. Their approach centers on establishing provenance at the point of origin rather than trying to verify authenticity later. By sourcing items directly and embedding authentication from the start, they're positioning themselves to capture both primary sales and ongoing secondary market activity, a structural advantage that traditional memorabilia players don't have. What caught our attention was the business model architecture. They're not just another marketplace competing on selection or price. They're creating a system where authentication is built in from day one, enabling perpetual tracking across an item's life cycle. This positioning allows them to monetize resale activity over time, not just the initial transaction. In a market where trust is the core barrier, controlling provenance from the source creates real defensibility. We participated in their seed round in early 2025 and saw an opportunity to follow on as the company continued building. The collectibles category is projected to reach significant scale over the coming years, with memorabilia representing a substantial segment. Yet despite its size, the space remains fragmented and operationally inefficient. The Realist is working to consolidate premium supply under a single authenticated system, expanding what's possible beyond traditional formats. Their progress since our initial investment reinforced the thesis. They've deepened relationships with sports institutions, demonstrated marketplace traction, and maintained strong unit economics while scaling. The current round includes both financial and strategic investors, including participants with direct ties to major sports franchises and leagues. That validation matters. It suggests the model resonates with entities that control premium supply. The company is positioned to expand partnerships, enhance their authentication infrastructure, and scale transaction volume while preserving economic efficiency. If they execute on building a category-defining platform in a large but underserved market, the opportunity could be substantial. We're following our initial conviction with continued participation because the fundamentals, market size, structural inefficiency, and their positioning to address it remain compelling.